What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restocking video. As usual, I am pretty excited to show you all the slimes, so we're going to go ahead and start off with the queen here. The queen of Unicorn Slime Shop is Chanel number 2. She is a very thick and glossy, bubblicious, bubblegum scented slime, and she's just a really good. She usually is the first one to sell out, so if you want to snatch this one, I would definitely get to the shop in advance. Also, just a really quick reminder, we do have some merch inside the shop as well, so you can get pop sockets, t-shirts. Also, if your parents are really tired of you getting slime all over your clothes, you can get some slime making aprons that say slime time on them. They're really cool. You could just throw them in the wash and your parents won't ever get mad because they'll be good as new. Alrighty, so I just showed you all the queen. Now I have to show you all the Princess Lolly here. She is scented just like mixed candy and mixed fruit, as well as really nice kind of sour notes, also like very fruity and sweet notes as well. Just amazing scent, just saying. She's a really crunchy foam, and it'll come with one random charm. It could be anything really that you find in Candyland, so like cakes, cupcakes, lollipops, candy. It's gonna be completely random. One of my favorites this week in this restock is Flora. This one here is just a unscented clear slime that is green, and it has a bunch of floral like female slices in it. It's just really nice. It looks like a marble to me, like that's how clear it is. It's just so nice, very stretchy and thick. I am personally in love with my new clear slime recipe, and I know you are going to love it as well. This next one here is inspired by glitter.slimes cookie milk slime. This one is called Sunken Cookie, and I am obsessed with this one. First of all, it is scented like Oreo cookies and sugar cookies, and I didn't know how good that would smell until we actually made it. And oh my god, it's literally so mouth-watering. You're gonna need a cookie or 5 after this, I swear to you. It's just really good. It's a glue-all base, so it's very thick, and those clay little sprinkles in there are everything to me. I just love this one. Melted Mint Chip is returning back into the shop. I really love this one. If you're not familiar with any of my melted ice cream slimes in the melted ice cream slime series, it is basically just like a base slime, so it's a very basic slime texture that's really nice. But what sets this one apart is this one actually has some cubed like Java pieces to make it look like the mint chips, and it's just really nice. It gives it a great texture. I love it because it smells just like mint chip as well, and it's just really good. Strawberry Buttercream is a new slime this week. It is scented just like its name, and it is what I like to call a buttercream texture, so it's basically the best of both worlds from butter slime and a cloud cream mixed together, and it's so good. If you see little specks in there, that's actually rainbow sprinkles that I added in as well, just for some added texture and also to make it look a little bit cuter, because what buttercream is not cuter without sprinkles, right? I just really love this one. It's the classic buttercream texture, so it's very sizzly and thick and spreadable. This one is a must, y'all. Your boy had to hit you with another buttercream slime. This one is a peanut butter buttercream. It is the exact same texture as the previous one, so just think of a butter slime and a cloud cream mixed together. It's really, really nice. It's scented just like peanut butter buttercream as well. If you've never had peanut butter buttercream, that's kind of a tongue twister now that I'm thinking about it, but I'm kind of killing it, just saying. Anyways, peanut butter buttercream is basically like when you add peanut butter into buttercream. It's like super basic, but it smells really, really good, and if you've never had it on chocolate cake, you definitely need to try that. Anyways, that is what this is representing. It's just very, very nice. There's no sprinkles in this one here, but it's just really good. This one is actually a little bit thicker than the other one because I used a little bit more clay, but I love it. It's really good. Next up, making its way into the melted ice cream series is melted vanilla swirl. So we have a chocolate side and we have a vanilla side. It smells exactly like chocolate ice cream and vanilla ice cream. Really, really good. And when you mix it all together, it just looks like regular chocolate ice cream. So it's nice. Experiment 626 was a slime that was actually supposed to be placed in last week's restock. However, I did not have enough time to pack it. I was running super, super late. As you all remember last week, even the restock video went up late. It was just crazy last week. So I decided to go ahead and put it in this week's restock. It is scented like coconut and blue Hawaiian and pineapples as well. So it's scented kind of like basically what you would find in Hawaii, and it's just really good, and it reminds me of Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. I decided on blue and purple because Stitch's ears are actually purple on the inside and then his body's blue. Instead of just doing like the two different shades of blue, I thought it would be cooler to do blue and purple. I don't know, don't at me. Beach Ball Blast is a really thick and glossy slime base with a whole bunch of these foam squares that are added into it as well. It's scented like coconut and lime, so it just reminds me of the beach, and the colors of it reminds me of a beach ball, just kind of like a busted beach ball on the beach. I don't know. That was kind of where we were going with this. I really, really like it because of the bubble pops, and it's super, super thick and glossy, and it smells really, really good as well. Perfect for the summertime, just saying. Cotton Candy Cake Bites is like the ultimate slime. Like, you will not find another cotton candy slime out there like this one, y'all. It is ridiculous. Cotton candy on cotton candy on cotton candy. First of all, it starts off with a thick and glossy cotton candy scented base, obviously, right? Then there are pink and blue Java chips that are added into it to add to the cotton candy aspect. We also have some pink and blue foam beads as well to add some texture and some more cotton candy aspect. And then we top it off with some blue and pink sprinkles as well that I personally made from clay, and they are so amazing in this slime. You really see them. They stand out because they're darker than the rest of the colors. I just really love it. It's really good. Cotton candy lovers are shaking right now. Sharpie is a slime that I've been telling you all that I've been wanting to put in the shop for forever. I just never properly knew how to execute it until now. So if you didn't see the Instagram video that I posted a couple months ago probably, I did a video on like me dyeing slime with Sharpie, and it kind of came out this purpley color. And ever since then I've been wanting to do like a black to purple kind of color shift slime, and that is exactly what this is. It's really, really cool. Right now it looks very, very purple because of the studio lights, but if you were just to play with this like under random like bedroom lighting, it's gonna look totally black with just like a hint of purple, kind of like metallic kind of streaks of purple. It's just really nice. It is unscented, so if you have scent allergies, this one's good for you. And I just really, really like this one. It's so beautiful, I can't even deal. Also, I really feel like I need to clarify, there is no Sharpie marker ink in here, by the way. It's just good old-fashioned food coloring and pigments. Melted Pistachio Ice Cream is another newcomer to the Melted Ice Cream series that we have here in the shop. I really, really love this one. It's scented like pistachio macaroons and smells so, so good. Fun fact, pistachio milkshakes at Baskin-Robbins are like one of my favorite things on earth. Just saying. So that's kind of what this was inspired from. I actually made some green chunks in there just to kind of represent the little pistachio chunks, and I just think this is really good. Alrighty, that is pretty much it for this restocking video. I really hope that you found something that you would like to purchase. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a big slimy thumbs up for me if you enjoyed it. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!